Welcome back. So in our last class, which was the lecture 3, went through the advanced walkthrough for Canva. So now in this one, we're gonna go through how to find and use the Canva shape tool. So I will not want to waste your time. I want this course straight to the point and dropping out the juicy part of it. I want it to be a comprehensive course. A super easy comprehensive course you can follow and just go from a novice to a pro in Canva, from a novice, from not knowing how to use Canva, from not knowing how to use Canva for your designs, to a super pro on how to make your designs for every platform whatsoever. So that is what we are going to be doing in this. So that's why you need Canva. Canva is super easy to, I'm always saying it. I will love to say it. I've been using Canva for a long time, for years. So it's not like I started using it some time ago. I've been using it for years, and I would tell you right from the beginning, I would advise you to always use Canva. Canva is super exciting, super amazing. So without wasting much of the time, I'm going to show you how to use shapes in Canva. So for this, I'm just going to show you how to delete it. So this is also showing you how to delete your design or an element you don't want. So now that you have it selected, you just click to select what you want to delete, and you just click on the bin. So you just delete that. So now you have that off. So now to find shapes, you have to go to element. So from element, you see you have what you call shape. There's also you have grills, but we'll not be using grills in our designs. We're just going to be using shapes and frame. So for this for instance, this is a free shape. So if you click on it, it's going to appear here. You can see you can turn it just the way you want it. You can turn it just the way you want it. You can move it around. You can just place it somewhere here and just go in and bring in another shape again. So now you have this here, and remember you can also change colors. So for this, now we have it selected, I can just go to where this blue set colors, just click on that, and I can just change the color around. So now that I have that, to return back, all I have to do is to click on this outside box to return back to my shape tool. Like you see, I went to colors, change the colors here, and to return back to the shape tool, I just have to click outside here, and I'm back in my shape tool. So now you can just position this, move this up, and you can also do something amazing. If you want this shape, the blue shape, to be above this, you can just right click on this and just do send back, just like that. Or you right click again and you do bring front, just like that. So it's super easy, it's not complicated. You can just go over. These are not just the only shapes you can use. You can go and click on see all, and you just scroll down. There are so many shapes. You might want to use this one, just click on that. So you can see this one is a stroke. You can see it's a stroke. So we change the color again. You can just go over and just change the color, make that purple or make that red, as you can see. So remember to go back to the shape, just click on that. So now we see we have that. So you see it's super easy to use shapes. You can just move this around. You can just position it like so. Just get creative and you're good to go. So now there are so many shapes you can use. We can go through and just keep picking different shapes. You can see them. There are so many you can pick from. This is another one, so we can just click on that. So you see this one picked the two colors. So as you can see, you can change those two colors. So let's change the blue to that, and we can change this other color to something different, so this is a color palette. As you can see, you can just change that to something different. And if you don't find the color you want here, you can just always go to new colors and just pick colors from there, like so. You can just pick colors from there pick the one that suits you. Just go around, pick different colors, the ones that suit you, and when you're done, you just click on this gray space like so. So now you see you have it, and you can move that around, just position it. You can just make it something like that, as you can see. So that's how we use shape. You can see that's how we use shape. There are so many shapes. There are frames. You can just create frames. Click on the frame. As you can see, you can create frames and just make use of them. I'll show you how to use some of this as we go on. So with that said, that is how to use shapes, and that is lecture 4, how to use shapes in Canva 2. So let's see in Canva 5 how to use the text tool. So I'm going to show you how to use the text tool in lecture 5. So with that said, thank you for watching this to the very end, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Stay safe, stay blessed. Meet you in lecture 5.